dt is equal to pi by 2. So in before video we have found the Fourier transform for the function. So which is Fourier transform of f of x is equal to root of 2 divided by pi 1 minus cos is divided by e square, right? So now we are going to find this part with the help of inverse Laplace transform. If it is a higher power than this, you have to find out that function with use of Pascal's identity. So now I am just taking inverse Fourier transform. Inverse Fourier transform. The formula for inverse Fourier transform is f of x is equal to 1 divided by root 2 pi integral minus infinity to plus infinity f of x, which is Fourier transform of f of x, e power minus ix into dx. So now you have to substitute minus infinity to plus infinity Fourier transform of f of x value, which is root of 2 divided by pi 1 minus cos s divided by e square. So now we have to expand e power minus s6, right? So which is, you know that e power I theta value, right? So e power I theta expansion, which is cos theta plus I sin theta. If it is the e power minus I theta, it is cos theta. So now I'm just going to explain this, which is e power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta. If you are replacing theta by minus theta, what you get? Cos theta plus I sin theta, which is cos of minus theta plus I sin of minus theta. You know that cos of minus theta will be cos theta. So sin of minus theta will be minus sin theta. So what you get? E power minus theta is cos theta minus I sin theta, right? So now you have to replace theta by sx. So which is cos s6 minus I sin s6 into dx. So now I am going to multiply all the portion with this term. Then I am going to find out whether the function is odd or even. So now I am just going to pick both of the terms function. So first term function is cos s6. Second term function is sin s6. Why? Because all those terms are constant. Okay. So first function, which is cos s6. If I substitute x by minus 6, you will get the same function only. So this term is even function. Now sin s of minus 6. So what will get? Minus sin s6, right? So what is that term? Which is odd function. So odd function goes 0, even function goes 2 times of that number. So which is equal to 1 divided by root 2 by integral minus infinity to plus infinity root of 2 divided by pi 1 minus cos s divided by s square cos s6 into ds minus the whole term will be 0, right? So now I'm just cancelling these two terms, which is root 2 divided by root 2, and also root pi into root pi value is pi. So I'm just taking 1 divided by pi integral. So here this term is even, right? I'm just writing 0 to infinity, 2 times of 0 to infinity. So now 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity 1 minus cos s divided by s square cos s6 into dx. The left hand side will be f of x. Right? So what is f of x? 1 minus modulus of x. So now 1 minus, I'm just taking it as 1 minus x, which is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity 1 minus cos s divided by s square cos s6 into dx. So in this term, you just compare this both terms. So it doesn't have cos s6 term, right? So you have to eliminate this cos s6 term. For that, I am going to substitute x value as 0. If it is a 0, cos 0 value will be 1, right? So it is matched. So I'm just going to take x value as 0 from both the sides. So I'll get 1 minus 0, which is 1, is equal to 2 divided by pi integral 0 to infinity 1 minus cos s divided by s square. So this term will be 1, right? So into dx. So which is equal to 1. I'm just taking this 2 divided by pi to this side. So it will become pi divided by 2, which is equal to integral 0 to infinity 2 sin square s divided by 2 divided by s square into ds. I'm just taking this s divided by 2 as t. So put s divided by 2 as t. I'm just taking this s is equal to 2t. So ds is equal to 2 times of dt. And also the limits, if s tends to 0, t is also tends to 0. If s value is 0, t value is also 0. If s value is infinity, t value is also infinity. So s is infinity, t is also infinity. So the limits are same. So pi divided by 2 is equal to integral 0 to infinity 2 times of sin square t divided by s square, which is 2t the whole square, which is 4t square. What is ds? I'm so sorry. I'm just write it as dx. It is dx. Okay? Into ds. What is ds? 2 times of dt. So 2 times of dt. And just cancel. This 2 into 2 is 4. 4 divided by 4 will be cancelled. So what is the remaining term? Pi divided by 2 integral 0 to infinity sin square t divided by t square into dt. So I can write as integral 0 to infinity sin t divided by t the whole square into dt is equal to pi divided by 2. So this is the reduction Fourier transform of the function 1 minus modulus of x. Thank you.